Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline Local Power the Hindu. Now headline in detail Local Power the Hindu. Local self-governments make a difference to the lives of people. Instead of signaling its intentional to hold election to ruler local bodies, the Tamil Nadu government has appointed special offers for these bodies in several districts of the state. Elections were due in 9,624 village panchayats, 314 panchayat unions and 28 district panchayats, where the term of office of the RLVS came to an end on January 5. These government officers will function for the next 6 months in support of its decision. The government has stated the ongoing organization of rural and urban local bodies, which will result in a delimitation of wards of the local bodies, a step that the government consider a prerequisite to the conduct of polls to local bodies. It had given an undertaking to the Madras High Court in December 2024 to on poll notification would be issued without completing delimitation and putting in place a quota of seats and office for women, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, apart from creating for more municipal corporation by accommodating village panchayat. The state is set for the expansion of the limits of municipal corporation, municipalities and town panchayat by taking in other villages panchayat. It has proposed the merger of least 140 village panchayat bill municipal corporation. Though there is nothing final about the organization, the government is of the view that rapid urbanization in village panchayat adjoining bigger cities such as Chennai and Coimbatore necessitate a fresh look at the local bodies. In Suresh Mahajan vs State of Madhya Pradesh, the Supreme Court had held that the delimitation or formation of ward cannot be legitimate ground to be set forth by any authorities, much less the State Election Commission, to not discharge its constitutional obligation in notifying the election program at an opportune time and ensure that an elected body was installed before the expiry of the 5-year term of the outgoing body. It had also stipulated that in undertaking delimitation, which the court regarded as a continuous exercise, it ought to be commended well in advance so that the elections were notified on time. Section of residents in a number of village panchayats have opposed the proposed organization of local bodies as they are apprehensive of the concession of rural development scheme, such as the Magnera of if there is a merger with urban local bodies. Tamil Nadu is not the only state that has failed to hold local body polls on time. Bigger cities much as Mumbai and Bengaluru are on the list. It is time that the state realize the importance of the space that local bodies occupy in the democratic structure. Despite shortcomings, local self-governments to make a qualitative difference to people's life. Thank you.